Dito po natin makikita na sa kapangyarihan at pagmamahal ng Diyos sa atin, kahit ano, kakayanin niyang gawin para sa kabutihan natin. And this includes using even our pains, even our problems, even our sufferings para magdulot ng maganda sa buhay natin. He will bless us and He will never run out of ways to bless us. In all situations, He can bless you through your friends and even through your foes. Through the good things that happen to us and even through the bad things that happen in our life. Through your admirers and even through your haters. Pwedeng gumuhit ang Panginoon ng tuwid na linya sa liku-likong linya na ginagawa ng tao. Ganon ang Diyos.